Hello everyone. Today I want to say that I won't be doing any challenge for now, but to my happiness, I can say that I have still developed new habits that have replaced old ones, porn addiction and sugar addiction. The new habit I consider to be practicing English by recording video clip. Actually, I want to apologize to those who watch that I create, as I mostly do it for myself. And practicing Czech by reading books. It's my new habit. Math practice and memory exercise are habits I have been practicing for several years, so I don't consider them uh, acquired during 29-day marathon. So that's all for today. Have a great day, everyone. Everything always work out for me in the best possible way because my universe take care of me, and for me and my family everything is going as it should. Amen.